Welcome to another video on design patterns. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a pattern called routing. So let's get started. Routing means that given an input from a user, like a query which user is asking to agentic application, agent is able to bifurcate or categorize that this query is about this particular area of work. So normally we have agentic application used in ecom, I think domain, or in healthcare or IT support, which is what I'm going to talk about. So any of these areas, if you look into what happens, so it's not like a query is very specific to only one kind of task. So let's say if I talk about ecom, so let's say someone who is a user of Amazon, they want to know about the refund status of the last order, or they want to know about the product information, which is the inventory availability or the specs about the product, or they want to know, customer wants to know that is the order on track in terms of delivery, is it on track, and when it's going to reach. So each of these queries are actually hitting different systems in the back end. So order system is different, delivery system is different, payment system is different. So they are all having their unique implementation. Similarly, when we talk now IT support, which is the use case, to explain the routing concept better. So let's say if an employee is actually reaching out to IT support, so they can reach out for any of these. Maybe there are more categories, but right now I just listed a few of them, like password reset, like their password got expired or got compromised, so they want to reset it. Hardware issue, they're not able to access the laptop or whatever hardware normally they use at the workplace, or the software issue like the email is not working, or network problem, they're not able to connect to the office network. So any of these require some specialized handling of the task. So we can't have every work like managed by a single agent or single large language model. So what do? Is we bifurcate, saying that if it is a password reset, take this query and route it to the password reset handler. So let's take a look into that, how we implement it. So let's say user is asking a query, hi IT support, I forgot my password and I have been logged out of my email account after 3 email failed logins attempts. I need access it ASAP. Now this query reaches to the LLM application or the agentic application, where LLM is deployed to extract the intent. Means what is the intent of the user query. Now based on the intent, it knows that if intent is password, then route it to password reset output system or that system. If it is hardware issue, route it to the hardware issue module. So there are different modules which are built. So the routing is happening based on the intent. So there's the clear link between figuring out the intent and then routing based on the intent. And whichever system is actually getting that query, that system is actually specialized in handling those problems or those the issues related to the in this case the employee. Now once that issue is addressed, let's say in this case it was a password query, password reset query. So this one is done, and then it will send the response saying okay, everything, it will generate the instruction and give it to LLM, and LLM will do what? It will look into the data, what is coming out of password reset as a response, and generate a personalized message for this user or this employee. It says your request has been identified as a password reset issue. Immediate actions available. Click here to verify your identity, because it's about password. So it is someone has to verify that whoever is actually requesting it is the authentic user. And then answer to security questions. Receive temporary password via SMS ending with this, and reset within 5 minutes. Otherwise, you can also call this number for manual override. So this is how IT support agent can automate the employee queries for any of those services which IT support teams support. So thanks for watching this video on design pattern called routing. Stay tuned. I'll come with another video soon.